Hello friends, how you guys doing? All right, so in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your fund from Metamask to Binance. All right, so how to withdraw your fund and the easy step to withdraw your fund from Metamask to Binance. All right, so let's start. So once you log into your Binance account, just come here to click on the wallet and fiat deposit and withdraw. Click on it here, and once you click on it and it opens, then you'll be able to click on deposit. All right, so I click on deposit. Okay, so it comes to the deposit here, and I select the fund you want to withdraw. Okay, so now we transferred Binance BNB, so I'm withdrawing BNB because I'm staking cake there. I've made some money, just want to withdraw. So you select BNB. All right, so you need to select the network. Now please pay very good attention. Now in Binance we have Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so that is what we connected to our Metamask. So make sure you select Binance Smart Chain. All right, so that you'll be able to get the correct network, because if you select the wrong network, you might lose your coin. All right, so and once we select that, this is the address pasted here. All right, so click on here to copy the address, and once you copy the address, you now head over to the Metamask. Okay, so this is our pancake swap. So I now click on Metamask. Okay, click on Metamask here. Okay, so you can see this is our balance you have on Metamask. All right, so to withdraw, you click on send and you paste that address here. You can see that I've pasted it here. So you now put the amount you want to withdraw. Currently, let me withdraw 0.1 BNB. Okay, so the gas price and the limit price, just leave it the way it is and put next, guys. All right, so after that, you just click on confirmation. All these are just the total. This is total gas fee and the amount, which is highly negligible. Why it's highly negligible? Because the fee are just minute fee. So let's click on confirm. Okay, so you can see it's pending here, guys. The money is pending. Okay, you can see money is sent. It shows sent. So let's check on our Binance. Come to the history. Let's refresh the page. Refresh the page, you'll be able to see. I can see Binance here. The money here is confirming 0.1 reflecting on Binance, guys. So that's how you withdraw your money from Metamask to Binance, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. I'll be releasing more fantastic content for you guys.